So you will need patience with that, and lots of grease, lots of lube. You don't want to go in dry. That's a bad day for everyone concerned.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Car Obsession. As you may be able to tell, I am a little bit under the weather and therefore losing my voice. Normally in this video I would give you voiceovers talking you through what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, but because of my lack of voice I will be using subtitles instead, so be sure to watch out for them. Now for context, as you probably have seen from the title of this video, I'm fitting a new REVO Torque Mount, otherwise known as Dogbone mount, to Leo, my Mk2 SEAT Leon Cupra.
So Dogbone mount all fitted, now time for the road test. It'd be interesting to see if I feel any difference in the way how the car performs. Now at 30 miles per hour, not a massive difference. The front end does feel a bit more rigid, a bit more taut, but I am about to go onto a faster road. Oh, that's the petrol light coming on, and it'd be interesting to see how Leo behaves when I accelerate, because in the past I did feel the front end lift a bit. I tried to film a 0 to 60 and yeah, I did have a bit of wheel hop. Yeah, so when accelerating, I can definitely feel the front end is more planted to the tarmac. I do still get a little bit of lift, but of course there are other modifications you can get to remedy that, which I may look at in the future. Not too sure, watch this space. But yes, the front end definitely feels more planted, more stable. Let's do a cheeky pull away from this roundabout. Yeah, the car definitely feels more rigid. The front end doesn't feel quite as, I wouldn't say sloppy, maybe loose. Feels more solid and composed. A big shout out to REVO Motorsport for their fantastic service. Very good customer service. The part came when expected and came very quickly. So yes, I will drop their details in the video description below. I would say this may be mind over matter, but I would say the acceleration feels a bit more crisp, a bit more responsive. And that would make sense because the wheels have got a better chance of putting the power down onto the road. I just wish I had a bit of open road in front of me. I'm stuck behind this Peugeot. Oh man, Leo is going to be a beast on track. So a week today, I will be taking Leo to Snetterton, a track I've done a few times, but never in Leo. In fact, I've never done a track day in Leo. So yes, it'd be interesting to see how I fare, how he fares. So I think, to sum up, to ask the question, is this a modification that is worthwhile? I would say yes. It isn't particularly expensive. It isn't particularly hard to fit. The only bit you may stumble upon is fitting the polyurethane. Normally I can say it first time. Polyurethane bush. There we go. Because that was an awkward customer. So you will need patience with that, and lots of grease, lots of lube. You don't want to go in dry. That's a bad day for everyone concerned. There. I'm going to end this video. I do hope you have found it useful or helpful. If so, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you are subscribed, don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. But until the next time guys, be sure to keep up the car obsession.